This week we went camping! That's Wilbur, and that's me, Zane. We did a little stop to stretch our legs.
Hey, not too far, babe. Not too far, not too far. See if he goes back in. Open the door. See if he goes back in.
And back to the car to Ballarat. When we got there, it was raining, so we had to set up in the rain. Well, look, there's our tent.
Wilbur! Wilbur!
Normally, we explore the caravan park.
Is it open? Yeah, go in. Have a look.
This is the gaming room.
There's firewood. You can eat here. You can have breakfast here, Dad. Because you have to pay, huh?
The caravan park had this awesome trampoline. That's me and my brother, Aiden.
Let him have a turn. Let him have a turn.
A swimming pool, but too cold to go in there. And they had this little playground. Their toilets and showers were very clean.
Very clean. Toilets. Showers. Yeah, the showers.
There's Wilbur again, our adventure cat. We are on our way to the gaming room and the trampoline again.
Go, Katya.
Yay! Oh God, there's Buddy Phil. Wait, everyone jump! Everyone jump! Wait, let's play crack the egg. Okay.
It's okay.
Egg. I'm the egg. Okay.
Nice. Okay, back to, whoa. Okay, now back to Aiden's turn. Nice. Now Millie's turn.
That's a Thomas train at the playground.
Nice. That was very close. Now Zane's turn.
No, I stand like this. It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall.
Do a flip and try and land on your feet. Oh, well done.
Dinner time is upon us. And that's me eating. We always have campfires, and now we roast chicken nuggets on the fire. It's delicious.
It's not finished yet. Keep going.
I had dinosaur man.
Yeah.
I had the dinosaur
A dinosaur eating a dinosaur. The water's green. Oh wow, the water is green. Oh, let's clean my boots. Wilbur. Come on, Wilbur. Come follow me. I love it. He's walking. Come on, Wilbur. It's so cute. This is Wilbur's first trail walk, Dad. I'm glad we took him. This is his first time walking so nice, so well. Come on, Wilbur.
That is all for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!